Cleaning up the edges. Don't hit my tarp. That's a pile of gravel there, covered with stone. Stay away from that, my friend. Very good. Oh, there's a rock. That's a big old hickory tree right in front of us. That's some good smoking wood right there, but that tree's gonna stay standing for a while. That's a beautiful tree right there. As I said before, you got to steer with your brakes on this packed down snow. Now we're going to back blade away from the pile of wood that we still have to split. The snow doesn't make it easy for us, but snow's beautiful. And this is New England. Oh, a little bit farther, buddy. Raise it up, raise it up, raise it up. Okay, down there. That's a beautiful job right there. Look at that. Expose that dark soil. The sun will get on that. Actually, it's supposed to rain in the next few days, a couple inches. So all of this white stuff, I think, is going to be gone. Okay, that's the end of this one. Anybody watching this, if you would like and subscribe to Lucas Coal Services channel, that would be greatly appreciated. We are trying to get this thing up and moving, and with your help, that would be helpful. All right, take care, everyone.